The Barreto 924, a powerhouse among compact trenchers, showcases its capabilities with hydraulic propulsion. Fueled by a robust 9 HP gasoline engine, this machine effortlessly carves 10 centimeters wide trenches, reaching an impressive depth of 60 centimeters. Tailored for versatility, it proves invaluable for laying cables, conduits, and pipes with precision. Beyond utility, the Barreto 924 extends its prowess to the construction realm, facilitating the creation of curbs and hedges with ease. Its efficiency in excavation, coupled with the convenience of hydraulic propulsion, positions the Barreto 924 as a reliable and indispensable tool for various projects. Whether it's the meticulous installation of utilities or the shaping of landscapes, this compact trencher delivers performance that meets the demands of diverse applications. The one-row maize corn pick harvester is a compact farm machinery designed for small-scale operations. Powered by a reliable gasoline engine, it features a robust walk-behind tractor chassis that ensures stability and maneuverability. The front-end corn harvester system is versatile, capable of efficiently picking corn in various terrain conditions. Additionally, it can also smash corn stalks, facilitating post-harvest processing. The system's corn stalk smashing component is removable, allowing for the adjustment of harvesting speed as needed. This harvester offers farmers a flexible and efficient solution for maize corn harvesting in a variety of farming environments. The tree branch cutting machine is a mechanical marvel designed to simplify arboricultural tasks. With its sharp blades and efficient motor, it swiftly trims and prunes branches, enhancing both safety and precision in forestry and landscaping. This automated tool revolutionizes tree maintenance, making it quicker and more accessible for arborists and enthusiasts alike. The Potato Digger Vintage is a nostalgic relic of agricultural history, transitioning from its original horse-drawn roots to a more modern adaptation for tractor use. Bearing witness to the passage of time, this aged implement retains its ground drive functionality, a testament to its enduring design. Stripped of modern grease zerks, it relies on a few oil ports, underscoring its simplicity and the era it hails from. Having weathered years of toil in potato fields, its worn exterior echoes the hard work it has contributed to farming endeavors. Each dent and scratch tells a story of a bygone era when manual labor and horsepower were the backbone of agriculture. Now pulled by a tractor, this Potato Digger Vintage stands as a rustic reminder of the past, embodying the resilience and adaptability of tools that have stood the test of time. The Kubota B6200 tractor, born in 1985, epitomizes durability and efficiency. Renowned for its compact design, this workhorse seamlessly tackles various tasks on the farm. Paired with the CAEB Mini Round Baler from 1996, it forms a dynamic duo in agricultural productivity. The baler, with its ingenuity, efficiently compacts and bundles crops into convenient round bales. Together, the Kubota B6200 and CAEB Mini Round Baler redefine efficiency, proving that age is just a number when it comes to reliable farm machinery. British asparagus, a culinary treasure, undergoes a fascinating journey from field to table. Nestled in the picturesque fields of Essex, UK, this seasonal delight flourishes under the British sun. Witness the meticulous process as skilled hands cut it from the buggy, ensuring only the finest spears make the cut. The asparagus then embarks on a journey of grading and packing, transforming into a verdant bundle of freshness. This delectable green gem is destined to either grace local markets, where eager locals await its arrival, or venture off to the bustling new Covent Garden market. Each succulent spear encapsulates the essence of British spring, a fleeting indulgence celebrated for its unrivaled taste and the artistry involved in its cultivation. The TOSCANO 4.8 folding shredder, boasting a formidable 2,000 revolutions per minute rotor speed and Y blades, revolutionizes post-harvest waste management. Designed to efficiently shred plant residues into minuscule fragments, this shredder ensures that all remnants are finely broken down. The resulting pieces facilitate easy dissolution into the soil, contributing to a smoother seedbed for subsequent seasons. Beyond the physical breakdown of plant wastes, the shredding process promotes the enhancement of soil microorganisms, thereby elevating overall soil quality. This multifaceted tool goes beyond mere waste reduction, offering a holistic approach to agriculture by fostering soil health and preparing the ground for optimal seed germination. Versatile in its application, the TOSCANO 4.8 folding shredder stands as an indispensable ally for farmers, capable of pulverizing any crop residue with precision and efficiency. Tammy Thompson skillfully harvests peat from his bank in Sellaforth, Yell, Shetland Islands, Scotland, capturing a timeless tradition. The image of May 2007 freezes a moment in the rhythmic dance of cutting peats, a practice deeply rooted in Shetland's history and intimately connected to the land's rich narrative. The VB23C model, by Felipe Boras, represents a cutting-edge advancement in olive harvesting technology. With a substantial 2.9 aerometer working width, it efficiently covers a wide area during operation. The impressive elevation capability, reaching up to 2.80 meters, allows the harvester to effectively gather olives beneath the trees, ensuring no precious fruit is left uncollected. A true workhorse, the VB23C demonstrates its prowess by collecting over 10,000 kilograms of olives per day, showcasing unparalleled efficiency in the field. This self-propelled olive harvester not only streamlines the harvesting process, but also stands as a testament to Felipe Boras' commitment to providing innovative solutions that enhance productivity in the olive industry. The VB23C is a reliable choice for those seeking high performance and cost-effective olive harvesting solutions. VB10C model 1.80 meters elevation up to 2.15 meters Felipe Boras, self-propelled olive harvester with automatic unloading VB23C and VB10C. The VB23C and VB10C olive harvester is a machine by Felipe Boras that gathers olives from the ground and empties them directly into the trailer. It's a machine that makes the operator's job easier and reduces harvesting costs without compromising the quality of the oil. Studies conducted by official organizations demonstrate its effectiveness. For more information, the KVE 1.8, a single-row cabbage harvesting machine, stands out with its efficient design and features. Boasting a spacious side bunker with a large volume, this machine is tailored for the optimal harvesting of both white cabbage and red cabbage. Its functionality is particularly well suited for the processing industry, where the demands for quality cabbage products like sauerkraut and red cabbage are high. The KVE 1.8 ensures a streamlined and effective harvesting process, enhancing productivity in cabbage cultivation. Its precision and capacity make it a reliable choice for farmers and businesses involved in the production of processed cabbage goods. With its emphasis on performance and suitability for industrial applications, the KVE 1.8 is a valuable asset in the realm of cabbage harvesting machinery. The stone barrier bed former mulching machine, measuring 40 centimeters in height and 50 centimeters in width, is designed specifically for 2 rows of strawberries. This efficient tool not only prepares the beds, but also mulches, ensuring optimal conditions for strawberry cultivation.